Continuous bias strips are used for curve binding and appliqué. Referring to your pattern instructions, cut a square large enough to make the amount of bias needed. Cut the square in half diagonally. Pin the top and bottom edges to remember straight of grain. Align the pinned straight of grain edges with right sides facing, and allow 1/4 inch of the 45-degree tips to extend on either side as shown. Pin the raw edges. Sew the triangles together with a 1/4 inch seam, and press the seam open. You will have an unusual rhombus shape. On the wrong side of the fabric, draw cutting lines at the desired width, marking along the length of the shape. The lines should be at a 45-degree angle from the seam. The measurements won't always be perfectly matched at the end of the shape, but don't worry, you'll trim that away later. Draw a seam line on each short diagonal side a 1/4 inch in from the edge. Bring the short diagonal sides together to form a tube, offsetting the drawn lines by 1 strip. With right sides together, pin match the cutting lines at the 1/4 inch seam line, then pin to secure. Stitch along the seam line. Once the seam is complete, you will have a tube. Use a tailor's ham or sleeve board and press the seam open. Using a larger pair of scissors, cut along the continuously drawn line. Trim off the extra. The strip should show diagonal threads on the wrong side and should have significant stretch. Bring on the round Christmas tree skirts, curved appliqué, and scalloped edges. You're ready to go with bias binding.